Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to discuss on how to play Disney Speedstorm with friend. So the first thing that you will do is of course open the application into your device. And now guys, in order for you to play with your friends, you have to reach rank number 3 first, and you will have a feature friends. And when you just downloaded the game and created a new account, you won't be able to have a friends feature over here. Going to rank 3 will get you around 3 to 5 games. And now from here, when you tap on friends, guys, you will have here at the side multiple options. In order for you to add your friend, just tap on add friends over here and just simply provide their user ID over here at the search bar. You can see the ID by going through over here. As you can see, I have my own ID, and you can just search me to add me as well. And once you have added it, you'll be able to see here your friends, and from here you'll be able to invite them to your party. And as you can see, it will be the same thing when we tap on this, and we'll be able to create a party. And from here, you can tap on friends as well. And from here, you'll be able to invite your friends. And I cannot show you right now since I don't have a friend yet. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.